We just got the wireless car adapter by Kukiho for our review, and let me show you what it looks like. It actually is super nice, very sleek and modern. I love the fact that it's super slim design with a very short USB cord, so you can just tuck that in, kind of forget about it once it's all set up. Speaking of the setup, it does have USB-A, but they do provide you, because most newer cars have USB-C, so you have that adapter to put in there. And such an easy setup. You plug it in. So I'm going to plug it in right now, and you're going to see right away when it's plugged into the USB-C, it's going to start obviously lighting up. So you see the 2-in-1 light up, and it's going to light up this little, there you go. Now we see it. And as soon as that happens, your phone is going to recognize it, and provided, of course, you tell your phone to recognize it, it's going to pair. Right now, I can see it right there, BT, Bluetooth connected. I say to my car, yes, I want to connect it. And in a matter of seconds, it's actually going to say, perfect, we want to basically bring your, in this case, an iOS device, your iOS environment onto the big screen of your car, which is really cool. And as you can see, the whole iOS environment is basically mirrored on your screen, from your car screen. So you've got all your favorite apps, and you can decide all of that through your phone. You can basically say, do I want WhatsApp or not? You can take it off if you wanted to. But it's a really nice, obviously, utilizing a bigger screen, and also for safety, because you want to be hands-free when you're in your car. And I can use Siri. Of course, if you had an Android, you could use other apps as well. Love the fact that I can call someone really, really quickly, and I can access my music right there from a touch of a button. I don't have to touch my phone. I don't have to touch the car adapter, the wireless adapter, ever again. And all of that is automatic. And the really nice thing about this too is that I will turn off the car, everything will shut off, and I'll go about my day with my phone in my pocket. As soon as I come back with the phone in the purse, in the pocket, anywhere, and turn the car back on, it will sync up again and will basically just seamlessly take everything from the phone in terms of visuals and let me control it via the screen on my car. This thing is super, super cool and so easy to set up.